Bay windows are a stunning addition to any Glendale home. They offer an abundance of natural light, panoramic views, and a touch of elegance that can elevate your home's aesthetics. However, to keep them looking their best and functioning properly, regular maintenance and cleaning are essential. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure your bay windows remain pristine and long-lasting in Glendale's unique climate. Why maintenance is essential for bay windows. Glendale's sunny weather and occasional dust storms can take a toll on your windows. Over time, dirt, debris, and moisture can accumulate, leading to problems such as reduced energy efficiency, difficulty opening or closing windows, and potential damage to the window frame. Routine maintenance helps to preserve the visual appeal of your bay windows, ensure smooth operation of window mechanisms, prevent costly repairs or replacements, maintain energy efficiency by sealing out drafts and heat loss. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before you begin cleaning and maintaining your bay windows, collect the necessary tools and materials. Soft microfiber cloths or sponges, mild dish soap or a glass-specific cleaner, bucket of warm water, or squeegee, vacuum with brush attachment, silicone-based lubricant for window tracks, wood polish for wooden frames, or a non-abrasive cleaner for vinyl or aluminum frames, weather stripping materials if needed. Step 2. Clean the glass. The large glass panels of bay windows are often their most eye-catching feature, so keeping them spotless is key. Remove dust and debris. Use a dry microfiber cloth or vacuum with a brush attachment to remove loose dirt and dust from the glass surface. Wash the glass. Mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water or use a glass-specific cleaner. Wipe the glass using a soft cloth or sponge in circular motions to avoid streaks. Use a squeegee. Starting at the top of the window, pull a squeegee down the glass in straight strokes, wiping the blade clean between strokes. Dry and polish. Wipe any remaining moisture with a dry microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Step 3. Inspect and maintain the frame. Bay window frames, whether made of wood, vinyl, or aluminum, require special care to stay in top condition. Wood frames. Use a wood-specific polish or cleaner to protect against cracking or warping. Regularly check for signs of rot and sand and repaint if necessary. Vinyl frames. Clean with a non-abrasive cleaner to remove dirt and grime. Check for discoloration or cracks, which may indicate the need for repairs. Aluminum frames. Use a damp cloth to remove dirt, followed by a dry cloth to prevent water spots. Inspect for rust and apply a rust-resistant coating if needed. Step 4. Lubricate moving parts. Bay windows often feature movable panels that need to function smoothly. To maintain their ease of operation, clean the window tracks using a vacuum or a soft brush to remove dirt and debris. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks and hinges, ensuring smooth operation. Open and close the windows a few times to evenly distribute the lubricant. Step 5. Check for air leaks. Glendale's warm climate makes energy efficiency a priority. Inspect your bay windows for drafts. Run your hand along the edges of the window frame to feel for air leaks. Replace damaged or worn weather stripping to improve insulation. Seal any gaps with caulk to prevent heat loss and keep your home comfortable. Step 6. Maintain the exterior. Don't forget the outside of your bay windows. Glendale's outdoor conditions can lead to dust and grime buildup. Rinse the exterior with a hose to remove loose dirt. Clean the glass and frame using the same methods as the interior. Inspect for signs of damage, such as cracks or peeling paint, and address these issues promptly. Step 7. Regularly schedule maintenance. To keep your bay windows in Glendale looking their best, establish a routine. Clean the glass and frame every 1-2 months. Inspect for damage or wear quarterly. Schedule professional maintenance annually to address any major issues and ensure optimal performance. Conclusion. Bay windows are a beautiful and functional feature in Glendale homes, but they require regular care to stay in top shape. By following this step-by-step guide, you can enjoy the elegance and practicality of your bay windows for years to come. Whether it's cleaning the glass, maintaining the frame, or checking for air leaks, a little effort goes a long way in preserving their beauty and functionality. So grab your cleaning supplies and give your bay windows the care they deserve.